Kailan ba daw babagsak si Miss Glenda? Guys, hindi ko alam kasi sa totoo lang, si Miss Glenda guys walang ibang ginawa kundi ang mas mag-succeed, mas umangat sa buhay, mas mag-improve at lahat na ata ng ginagawa niya ngayon ay ang pag-akyat niya. Pero bakit nga ba si Miss Glenda ay napaka-successful? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Miss Glenda started as a virtual assistant as a freelancer. At pag virtual assistant ka or freelancer, you have the skills. After that ay naging online seller siya. Isa sa mga reason kung bakit talagang mas successful si Miss Glenda, yun ay dahil sa isa siyang freelancer at meron siyang skills. So, ibig sabihin ba hindi pwedeng benta lang ng benta? Yes, maraming mga online sellers na talaga namang sobrang yumaman. Pero iba daw talaga pag si Miss Glenda. Bakit? All because she has something that other people may not have. So, kahit na anong business pa yan o trabaho pa yan, ang pinakamaganda na dapat meron ka ay ang skills. Now, with that skills, ginamit niya ito sa kanyang pagbebenta. At siya naman ngayon ay kumita. Ngayon nung kumita si Miss Glenda, she started her own brand. After starting her own brand, nung dumami na rin yung trabaho sa kanyang ginagawa, she started to delegate. And with that, she started to hire people who are more skilled than her or kasing galing niya din. And along the way ay nag-build na rin siya ng kanyang sistema. At itong sistema na yun yung ginamit niya para gumawa ng napaka-successful na company. And believe it or not, yung company na yun ay nag-start lang with just one product. Nasa skincare lang siya. And saan na ba ngayon si Miss Glenda? Miss Glenda is now diversifying her business at ngayon ay pumapasok na rin siya sa iba't ibang industry. Ang ginawa ni Miss Glenda ay she dig deeper sa kanyang business, then she went wide. There are other people naman na talagang nagda-diversify at an early stage of their business and there's nothing wrong with that as long as kaya mo. Kung meron man ako na isang gustong ma-improve ni Miss Glenda, which alam ko ginagawa niya na din, is to prepare herself for the new technology that's coming. You know, e-commerce is a very big place that she could play with and I just hope na she will be there as one of the big players in the industry.